the streets up. Yeah, yeah. Okay, wake the streets up. Okay, come on. Okay, wake the streets up. Yeah, yeah. Come on, wake the streets up. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
It's your favorite hustler, Wade Jackson here, back again with another video. As you can see, I'm getting my rims ready so they can be painted today. Remember, I was in the process of the fender, putting it on the car and then repainting the whole car, but I feel like I can do a lot wet sanding, plus I'll have some leftover paint left. So I'm gonna go ahead and just paint the few things green that I need to paint green, which is my rims and this fender. So that's what we'll be working on today. I just got done cleaning off my rims, because even if you primer them but you let them sit, you might as well clean them again, just so you can not get no dirt in your paint. And then on this, I had a few spots I had to sand and pick off. If y'all seen the fender yesterday, and some black on here that I had to primer up and paint all the primer colors so I can get ready to paint it. I'll cut you guys back on in a minute. Yo, it's your favorite hustler back again, man, checking in with you guys. As you can see, I painted everything green. Nah, but seriously, got these rims painted green. I'm ready for them to dry and take the tape off and see what they look like. I did have some flaws, some drips on here like this. What I'm gonna do is try to wet sand that with 1000 grit. I'm really a spray can guy. I mean, I know it's easier to spray can. I know pretty much professional. Oh yeah, my son's skateboard. It's pretty much it's pretty much better and more professional looking to spray paint with a gun, of course, but I use spray cans just because they're easier and more of at a beginner level for me. But I just did this because it was cheaper, and I'm not too upset with the job. It got it done to what I needed to do. So we'll take these off, we'll let it dry for a little bit. I want to say 48 hours. I might go 24, but I'll probably do 48 just to be safe. Let that harden them up, and we'll go from there. One of the biggest reasons why that car paint is so nice to me, reason why I think it's what should be used is, as you can see here, I mean, just look, just hold flakes, just hold hard flakes of that paint. That's nice to me. Spray paint, I've used spray paint on those Daytons. The Daytons is spray paint, and just, man, any type of hard rub, anything just gets them off. These I'll have to take those back to chrome anyway, because they got instructions on which way to put them on. So I'll be taking those back to chrome, but you guys will see a video on that. But this car paint is just so much more nicer. Well, this has been another video, man. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm out.